right. Week 15, one less than. And y'all, if you thought last week's animation was awesome, I took it to a whole new level this week. All right. Again, we start off simply. And something I will say is that this follows the exact same format as last week, only with one less than instead of one more than. So I'm not going to go in depth on a lot of these. I'm just going to give you a quick preview. But I will show these first two on Monday because then you'll see how it works. So, what is one less than one? So, let's go ahead and draw one on our board. One. Everyone do that. One less means we're taking away one. We're making it one less. So let's go ahead and do that. Isn't that so cool? So have students erase words. Now think about it. How many dots are on your board? Write the number on your board. So we have them check it. Yeah, it's 0. Let's check it with our 10 frame. So we started with 1. And 1 less is 0. 1 less than 1 is 0. I'll show you the next one just because the number is bigger and you can see the animation better. What is 1 less than 6? So let's go ahead and draw our 6. Count as you draw them with me. 1, 2, and go slow enough so students can keep up. 3, 4, 5, and let's put the 6 down below, just like in our 10 frame. So can you make your dots, and maybe say this before you start counting, make your dots look like the 10 frame. All right, remember, one less means we're going to be taking one away. It's one smaller than what we have. So let's go ahead and erase that 6th dot. Now let's think. How many do we have? What is 1 less than 6? Give students a chance to write the number, let them check it, and now say, let's check it on our 10 frame. We started with 6. We took one away. We have one less. How many is it? You guys can supersize that. It's 5. 1 less than 6 is 5. And then the last one on there will take the dot scaffolding away. Tuesday, you have the exact same format, but with the number rack. So you'll still do your dots. You'll still bring in the hand and erase, etc. Wednesday, you'll have the number line again. It'll give hints. Less means it's going to be smaller with a hint on the arrow, but same general format as you had last week. Thursday and Friday, we will go to just one number. And one place that this differs from last time is by Friday, we had removed the scaffolding. On Friday, on this day, we still have the dots to support because subtraction is a trickier concept for kids to wrap their minds around than addition. And so we just want to continue to reinforce. Oops, I'm doing this wrong. We want to continue to reinforce that motion of taking away because likely subtraction is still pretty new to kids at this point. So Thursday and Friday, we're using just the numerals, but then we're supporting students with dots and not, we maybe remove the scaffold for the last one on each day to try, but that's it. All right, let me know if you have any questions.